Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to view archive message in the Messenger app. The 2021 Messenger app has made accessing archive conversation on Android far easier. Once update is complete, accessing archive message is a straightforward process. First step is open Messenger app on your Android device. From the top of the screen, tap on your profile in the top left corner. Choosing the option for archive chat is the third option. All archive conversation will then appear. If you are using an old version of Android, then the archive chat folder may not appear, even if you update the Messenger app.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.